Hello viewers, welcome to the best purchase guide on YouTube. We all know that it's difficult to find the best product according to our budget. To make your purchase decision easier and to save your time, in this video our expert team picked only the finest items for you based on features, manufacturer's reputation, price and actual user feedback. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you're buying the best product. Please check the description below for product links and updated prices. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So, let's get started.
Our number one pick is Holicmay 30 Feet Dryer Vent Cleaner Kit. Enhance the efficiency of your cloth dryer with our fireplace chimney brushes, featuring a top-notch synthetic brush head and extendable rods reaching up to 30 feet. This home improvement tool comes with easy-to-follow instructions, allowing you to achieve professional results effortlessly. By using this versatile dryer vent brush, you can effectively remove lint and dust buildup from your dryer vent, duct, and exhaust port without the need for a power drill. Regular maintenance of your dryer vents not only reduces the risk of house fires but also helps in cutting down energy costs significantly. Say goodbye to procrastination with our air duct cleaning tool. Each kit includes a drill attachment for a thorough cleaning experience. Connect it to a power drill for quick and efficient vent cleaning that leaves your space spotless in no time. Our second best dryer vent cleaning kit is Holicmay 32 Feet Dryer Vent Cleaner Kit. Achieve professional quality results with the Dryer Vent Cleaner Kit, which can be utilized with or without a power drill. Ensure to always turn the rod in a clockwise direction and move it in and out slowly. When navigating corners, turns, or tackling stubborn lint traps, remember to slow down and then gradually increase speed. The convenient vacuum hose attachment extends over 3.5 feet, allowing you to reach deep and inaccessible areas behind appliances for thorough cleaning. Please note that this kit is compatible with most vacuums except Dyson and cordless models. Its primary objective is to provide comprehensive cleaning for your dryer by utilizing a variety of tools. From the lint trap brush for tight spaces to strong tape for securing rod connections, each small product plays a crucial role. The lint grippers effectively remove stubborn dirt or fluff, while anti-slip gloves ensure your hands are protected throughout the cleaning process. Third choice in our list is Sealegan 19-Piece Dryer Vent Cleaner Kit. Compatible with your drill, the 22 flexible nylon rods effortlessly extend up to 30 feet for easy use. With included adapters, you can utilize air from your clothes dryer, shop vacuum, or electric blower to effectively remove lint from the vent while rotary cleaning simultaneously. Versatile enough to be used on pipes, air ducts, and corners, this dryer vent brush easily connects to most vacuum cleaners. The flexible vacuum hose is ideal for deep cleaning accumulated dryer lint over the years. This extra long brush is perfect for clearing trapped lint and dust in the dryer gap and exhaust port, as well as cleaning the coils behind your refrigerator. Number 4 in our side is Petode 30 Feet Dryer Vent Cleaner Kit. Experience effortless assembly with our new quick snap rods, designed to securely connect in either direction. Combine your cordless drill with the auger brush for a thorough and convenient dryer vent cleaning solution. Our dryer vent cleaner kit allows you to reach up to 30 feet, equipped with a top-notch 4 synthetic brush head. Ensure your dryer vent duct is at least 4 inches in diameter, and utilize the included 22 quick snap rods and drill bit for optimal performance. Upgrade to our advanced lint remover for improved safety and efficiency compared to the original model. With over 16,800 house fires caused by clogged dryer vents last year, it is crucial to regularly clean and inspect your vents using our brush kit to protect your family from potential disasters. Skip professional cleaning services and save money by utilizing our powerful dryer vent cleaner independently to eliminate lint buildup. Last in our top 5 best dryer vent cleaning kit list is SP Home Goods Dryer Vent Cleaner Kit. Most dry vent hose cleaners are designed for straight vents only, but our pipe brush is uniquely sized at 4 inches wide and can extend up to 30 feet, effortlessly maneuvering around corners and bends. Each dryer vent duct cleaning kit includes a drill attachment, allowing you to elevate your cleaning process by connecting it to a power drill for a quick and thorough clean. Regularly maintaining your dryer vents not only prevents house fires but also reduces energy costs significantly. With this air duct cleaning tool, you'll never procrastinate on this task again. This versatile dryer vent cleaner kit can reach behind dryers and other appliances that are typically hard to access, making it an Thanks for watching this video. Hope this guide will help you to make your decision easier. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more guide and special tips on your feed.